Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do assessment of speaking and listening of lesson 2, The Thunder Cake. Children, all of you open your textbooks, open assessment of speaking and listening. See here, understanding detailed information about Michigan. Okay, first see the listening. Listening, Listening. Listening. See here, the grandmother in the story lived on a farm in Michigan. Yes, we all know that the child went to the grandmother who lives in Michigan. Your teacher will read a passage that tells you about Michigan. Listen to it and answer the questions that follow. See the first question, children. Which country is Michigan in? So, in which country Michigan is located? Michigan is located in Russia. RUSSIA, Russia. Michigan is located in Russia. See the second one. When did Michigan become a state? Again, I am repeating the question, children. When did Michigan become a state? And the answer is 26th January 1837. 26th January 1837. Michigan became a state on 26th January 1837. See the third question. What is the nickname given to Michigan? What is the nickname? NICKNAME. What is the nickname given to Michigan? The nickname given to Michigan is the Wolverine State. The WOLVERINES. The Wolverine State. The nickname given to Michigan is the Wolverine State. See the fourth question, children. Why has a nickname been given to Michigan? Why has a nickname, the Wolverine State, been given to Michigan? See here. It has been generally accepted that Michigan was nicknamed the Wolverine State for the abundance, ABUNDANCE, for the abundance of wolverines that once roamed the peninsula. PENINSULA. So, here wolverines have roamed on the peninsula. So, it has been generally accepted that Michigan was nicknamed the Wolverine State for the abundance of wolverines that once roamed the peninsula. Okay, this is the answer for the fourth question. Now see the fifth one. What are the major industries in Michigan? What are the major industries? INDUSTRIES. What are the major industries in Michigan? What are the major industries in Michigan? See here. The major industries of Michigan are manufacturing, MANUFACTURING, manufacturing. Next one is tourism, TOURISM, tourism. Third one is Agriculture, Agriculture, agriculture. These are the major industries of Michigan. Okay. So now come to the pronunciation. See here, consonant sounds in man, name and sing. See here. First one. Say these words aloud. Notice that the letters in bold in these words have the same sound. So let us notice that the letters in bold, we can see M, the letter M in bold. Here M, all M are given in bold. Let us listen. All the letters given in bold have the same sound. See here, man, man, ma, 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 man, ma, image, ma, image, man, image, dim, 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 column, column, man, made, dim, yes, all the letters in bold having same sound. Now see the B part. Now say these words aloud. Notice that the letters in bold in these words have the same sound. So say these words loudly, children, along with me. Let us observe the letters in bold have the same sound. Okay. Name, 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 chin, name, name, chin, end, end, knee, yes, name, chin, end, knee. These words have the same sound. Now see the C part. Now say these words aloud. Notice that the letters in the bold in these words have the same sound. Sing, ing, sing, ing, angry, ing, angry, ing, yes. Longing, longing, yes. Sing, angry, longing, yes. These words that are in bold having the same sound. Children, all of you repeat these words, speak loudly and observe carefully. Okay. Bye children. Thank you.